Let me guess. You're a southpaw, you feel clumsy as hell, and you're sick of it. Your feet are constantly getting tangled up with orthodox fighters, and worse, you keep walking right into their power hand. Everyone tells you that's just the southpaw life. They're wrong. Give me the next 5 minutes, and I'll show you the one core principle that flips that awkwardness into your biggest advantage and gives you the dominant angles you need to win. Section 1. The core principle. That clumsy dance, that awkward smashing of lead feet, we're ending that today. The fix is way simpler than you think. It's the golden rule of southpaw footwork. Get your lead foot outside your opponent's lead foot. That's it. That's the secret sauce every great southpaw has mastered. Why? Because when you own that outside position, two beautiful things happen. First, you've just created a straight, open highway for your power left hand right to their chin. Second, you've moved your head offline from their power right hand. Just like that, their biggest weapon is gone. It's the key to your entire offense and defense. If you're ready to master this, hit that subscribe button because class is in session right now. Section 2. Step 1. The pivot. So how do we get that golden position? Your first and most important tool is the pivot. This is your foundation, your bread and butter. Forget all the fancy footwork for a second and burn this into your brain. From your southpaw stance, stay light on the balls of your feet. Now you're going to pivot on that lead right foot. As you do, step your back foot out to your left, which will rotate your body clockwise. Think small, sharp, explosive movements. This pivot is your get-out-of-jail-free card. You throw your 1-2, and instead of backing straight out like a target, you pivot off to the left. Suddenly, you're at a new angle where you can hit them and they can't hit you. Practice this over and over. Pivot in, pivot out. It has to become a reflex that keeps you safe and always puts you in a position to attack. Section 2. Step 2. The jab and step. All right, you've got your escape hatch. Now let's get aggressive and learn how to take the dominant position. That's step 2. The jab and step. You can't just wait for the angle to appear, you have to create it, and the easiest way is by pairing it with your jab. As you throw that jab, don't just step in. Step forward and slightly to your right. Your lead foot should land just outside of their lead foot. In one single motion, you've occupied their lead hand with your jab, and you've stolen the dominant foot position. You can also do this right after a fast left cross, using the momentum to rotate and step your lead foot outside. The key is making this a single fluid motion. It's not punch, then step. It's jab and step, cross and step. This is how you stop reacting and start running the fight. Section 4. Control the angle. Getting that outside foot position is one thing. Keeping it is what makes you a nightmare for any orthodox fighter. This final step is all about controlling the angle. Once you've stepped outside, your mission is to live there. You do this with two key actions, circling and hand fighting. Always be circling to your left, constantly keeping your lead foot outside of theirs. This forces them to keep turning into you, never allowing them to plant their feet and throw that big right hand. As you circle, use your lead hand to mess with them. Parry their jab, post it on their shoulder, or control their wrist. This hand fighting completely shuts down their rhythm. By chaining this constant circling with smart hand control, you trap them. You've taken their power, created a runway for yours, and you are now in total control. This is the spot where southpaws dominate. And that's it. Your 5-minute transformation from clumsy to dominant. The foot clashing is over. Your game plan is simple. Step 1, master the pivot as you reset and escape. Step 2, use the jab and step to aggressively take the outside position. And Step 3, control that angle with relentless circling and hand fighting. This isn't just a few tips, it's a fundamental shift in your fighting philosophy. It turns your southpaw stance into a single greatest weapon. Practice these 3 steps until they feel as natural as breathing. Which part of this gives you the most trouble? Is it the pivot, taking the angle, or keeping it? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want to see how to use this against a guy who just rushes forward, check out this next video.